Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that who is best in learning English language. Creative mind people. Those have the quality of some kind of creation. They can create some poetry, they can create some novels, they can create some feature films, any other things that is from their mind, their creation, their own creation. I think that they have a good ability to learn other languages if they want to. For example, if someone is willing to learn English language and he is not created minded, then other is willing to learn English language, he is the created minded person. When they both will do the hard work, they both will do the struggle, the creative mind person will learn the things more easily, more fast than the other person, because the person who has the creation in his mind, he has the ability to imbibe the things more easily, to inspire from others more easily. So if you want to learn English language, then I think that you should make yourself, your mind, creative mind, because I think that if you have the creative mind, then you will create some beautiful things for others. You will write beautiful stories, beautiful scripts, or any beautiful messages, not stories, feature films or other things, but beautiful messages which you have experienced from the society in your life. Then you can share your experiences with others. So many other people, those have lot of experiences in their life, but they can't express their experiences with others. They have no ability to share their things with others. Only those people have the ability to share their things with others who have the creative minds. So I think that creative mind is good in learning English language, and because they know that when they will learn English language, their message will reach to more people. If they are creating some things in their national language, when they know the English language, then their creation will spread all over the world. In this way they will promote their talent, and they will spread their things in different parts of the world. You know that world is right now global village, and with the help of social media we are not limited to one place. We have the opportunity to share our things, our views with the international world. So I think that we should learn the English language to share or to show our talent to the world. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you, bye bye.